Well, when you think of organizing your home, you probably think of going through clutter. But you can also organize what you eat. Our expert, Vicki Norris, is showing us some tips for meal planning.
Okay, I want you to meet Valerie Cottrell. She's one of our order restorers, and today I am sitting at her feet because she is a meal planning wizard. So Val, you've got to tell me, how did you get this way? How did you learn how to do this?
Well, I had an amazing roommate in college who was fed up with top ramen and said, we can't eat like this anymore. We've got to get a plan.
So the first thing that you want to do if you need a meal plan for your family is to set up an actual station. Create a little bit of a ritual for this weekly endeavor of meal planning, right? Isn't that how you do it?
Yeah.
What is involved in your station?
So I have all of my supplies. I have my recipe binder.
Okay.
I have a notepad for grocery lists. I have my calendar so I can look at the week at a glance. If I know I have a really busy day, that's when I look for the slow cooker meals. If I have a little bit more time, then I can be more creative.
Or try a new recipe
I can try a new recipe that day.
Okay, awesome. So now show us how it functionally works.
Right, so definitely I grab my calendar first and I open it up and I can see what I have going for a week. And then I go through my recipes if I need them, and I can pull meals that fit the days of
And the
week.
genres,
Yep.
okay?
Yeah.
And then you use your Post-it notes and you actually just jot down kind of the idea of what you're gonna do. Monday, beef barley, tacos on Tuesday, black-eyed peas and sausage, I'm getting hungry. On Wednesday, slow cooker, carnitas on Thursday, pork tacos on Friday, grilled cheese and tomato soup on Saturday, and then on Sunday, leftovers. Once you have your menu, what's next?
So then I will
You get out your grocery
grab my
list.
recipes
Okay.
that are based on those menu items.
Okay.
And then I grab my grocery list. And then I have my grocery app on my phone. It's my favorite thing.
Okay.
So I can look up all the ingredients, type them in. I can pick the window that I want to pick them up at my favorite store. And then I just drive up. And magically, this wonderful person comes rolling
Loads
up
all your
with my
groceries.
bags and loads them into the car. I just love that new feature.
You have a chalkboard wall where you have all of the family's schedule and the menu items. And does the family like this, to like see what's going on?
Well, for one, it helps with that question, Mom, what's for dinner? I can always say, well, look at the board, it's up there. But it also helps us remember what's coming up. And if for some reason somebody else comes home before me and I have a busy schedule, they know exactly what ingredients we have in the fridge and what's the plan for the day. So they can get started.
No
On
excuses.
the preps. Yeah,
I
no
love it. All
excuses.
hands on deck. Well, I hope these have been some very helpful tips for you in your meal planning efforts. Because you know, organizing isn't just about the stuff, it's about the systems of your life. And thank you, Val, for helping us with meal planning. I know I'm inspired and a little hungry too.
Thanks so much, Vicki. I've been meaning to actually use the click list. I have the app on my phone. I just need to enter the groceries to go pick them up because I've heard it's such a huge time saver, and I think you get the first few for free. Okay, so for more tips on organizing your home, you can head to Vicki's website. It's restoringorder.com.
Thanks for watching this organizing video by Restoring Order. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.